Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create an 8-bit retro effect in CapCut PC. First, drag your clip into the timeline. Go to Effects and search for Matrix Green. Drag the effect onto your clip. Want to customize the colors? Go to Adjustment, add an adjustment layer, then go to the HSL. Select the green color and change it to yellow. Add another adjustment layer and repeat green to yellow again. Now add a new adjustment layer, but this time select yellow and change it to red. Repeat this process until you get the full red color. By stacking and arranging adjustment layers like this, you'll create a dynamic, multicolor 8-bit effect. That's it! Now you've got a cool retro look for your videos. Try experimenting with different colors for unique styles. Thanks for watching.